close till I get up.
Oh yeah, we just got here. What's going on, guys? What's happening? We just got to the Dana on Mission Bay. Waiting for my girlfriend to land. I'm gonna go pick her up soon, and we're gonna enjoy a couple of weeks in San Diego, maybe a week in San Diego and another week in the desert. We'll see what happens. Beautiful resort here in Mission Bay, San Diego. We've already stayed here last month. I didn't really make a video though. I did, but it wasn't anything like I wanted to share with you guys. It was just kind of like whatever, more for like our own stuff. But this time I figured I'd document it because I'm more familiar with it, and I love this place. I'm definitely going to be back here again. But let's look at the room. This is one of their nicer rooms. It's a larger 450 square foot room with a king bed, a larger bathroom, larger room. You get a couch, you get a TV and all that stuff. So let's check it out. So that's it when you come in. Let's go check out the bathroom. We got the tub. We got some bath products here that we like to use. Dr. Teal's the best stuff. Got the Aqua de Gio on deck. Some gel, some lotion. Some extra towels for the pool. Well, we got the makeup mirror for her and stuff. Got a big mirror for me to do my hair. Get a little closet right here. See, I got some water for us. Alright, you get the little sink. You get a little like safe or whatever. Let's put my gun in if I need to. Alright, we have some Dr. Pepper Zero on deck. Nothing else in the fridge really for now. Nightstands, picture, there's a light up there, nice king size bed. Got the LG TV, HDMI input, so you can bring whatever you want to play. Got my clothes here, whatever, more clothes. You got the other nightstand, decent sized couch, coffee table. I got my camera gear, of course, my drone, tablet, speaker. Got the Iceco JP40, I think? I don't know, I can't remember. It's like a 40-some quart. Love that fridge. Thank you, Iceco. 2 chairs. Got a gift right there for the lady. Got some peonies. She loves peonies. Already saw the TV. They haven't quite opened up yet all the way, but they're getting there.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms which
just beautiful. Look at that view. Look at that view. Oh, you got the party boat right there. I don't have my zoom lens on right now. I gotta put that on and take you guys out here again. I don't think I'll be able to put it on in time to zoom in on that boat. Look at that sunset, it's all purple. Just amazing. Yeah, and you get a really big patio. Like, look at that. So yeah, guys, I love it here. Second time at this resort, the Dana on Mission Bay. Oh, someone's calling. Lulu, on camera. She looks so good in video. You're so cute, Lulu. Look at you.
it's leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Ghetto way of making breakfast camping. It works. And then
You make the best breakfast.
I do?
Yes.
Well, I appreciate that.
They're amazing.
No, now it's right.
Boop, boop. 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 Are you video recording me again?
Yeah, this is so cute. They're so cute.
She's like, what is that thing?
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.